हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल नॉलेज बॉक्स पे। मैं हूं सुनीता और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं फास्टेट की 20 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस और आंसर की। तो फ्रेंड्स, ऑफिस हो, घर हो या फिर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो या किसी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो तो किसी भी टाइम फास्टेट की ज़रूरत हो सकती है। इसलिए फास्टेट क्या होता है इसके बारे में पता होना ज़रूरी है। फास्टेट का डेफिनेशन है, फास्टेट इज द इमीडिएट बट टेम्पोररी ट्रीटमेंट गिवन टू ए विक्टिम ऑफ एक्सीडेंट और इलनेस promptly and correctly before medical help is available. It does not mean a complete care and care of illness. So अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, Which one of the following best describe fasted? A. Immediate care given to injured. B. Immediate care given to all helpless. C. Immediate care given to all the ill person. D. Both A and C. The correct answer is D. Both A and C. Question number 2. Which German surgeon is considered as the originator of fasted? A. Dr. Luzen. B. Hippocrates. C. Ismarch. D. Edward Jenner. C is the correct answer. Ismarch. Then our next question is question number 3. Deoxygenated blood from the heart is pumped to the lungs by dash. A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Superior vena cava. D. Inferior vena cava. A is the correct answer. Pulmonary artery. Question number 4. In order to measure the burn, which rule is applied? A. Rule of 7. B. Rule of 9. C. Rule of palm. D. None of the above. B is the correct answer. Rule of 9. Question number 5. What should be the position of the victim while performing CPR? A. Supine. B. Supine on bed. C. Prone. D. Supine on flat and firm surface. D is the correct answer. Supine on flat and firm surface. Question number 6. A pulse may be felt in the body due to the contraction of the dash. A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. Left ventricle. D is the correct answer. Left ventricle. Then our next question is question number 7. Why emotional support to the victim is necessary? A. It affirms faith in the fasteder. B. It is a gentleman quality. C. It reduces anxiety and help in recovery. D. It gives an opportunity for the fasteder to do his work comfortably. C is the correct answer. It reduces anxiety and help in recovery. Question number 8. What is the name of the anatomical structure that help prevent the entry of foreign matter into the trachea? A. Larynx. B. Windpipe. C. Epiglottis. D. Alveoli. C is the correct answer. Epiglottis. Then our next question is question number 9. Arriving at the scene of an emergency, you find a person unconscious. What is the first step before starting the treatment? A. Open the airway. B. Begin heart compression. C. Perform a head to toe exam. D. Take the carotid pulse. The correct answer is A. Open the airway. Question number 10. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place at dash. A. Bronchioles. B. Bronchi. C. Lungs. D. Alveoli. D is the correct answer. Alveoli. Question number 11. Failure or irregular function of dash organ result in diabetes. A. Spleen. B. Liver. C. Pancreas. D. Bile ducts. The correct answer is C. Pancreas. Question number 12. What is the name of bone of arm? A. Humerus. B. Clavicle. C. Scapula. D. Femur. A is the correct answer. Humerus. Then our next question is question number 13. CSF stand for dash. A. Cardiac seizure failure. B. Cardiac space fluid. C. Carotid spinal fluid. D. Cerebrospinal fluid. D is the correct answer. Cerebrospinal fluid. Question number 14. In which abdominal quadrant is the appendix located? A. Right upper. B. Right lower, C. Left upper, D. Left lower. The correct answer is B. Right lower. Question number 15. Which of the following is the main organ of nervous system? A. Brain, B. Kidney, C. Heart, D. Lungs. A is the correct answer, brain. Question number 16. How many compression and breaths should you do for each cycle of CPR? A. 15 compression and 1 breath, B. 30 compression and 5 breath, C. 30 compression and 2 breath, D. 15 compression and 5 breath. C is the correct answer, 30 compression and 2 breath. Question number 17. The ABC of basic life support are dash. A. Airway breathing circulation, B. Airway bright canal, C. Action breathing circulation, D. None of the above. The A is the correct answer, airway breathing circulation. Question number 18. What is the normal number of breath per minute for an adult? A. 20 to 40 breath per minute, B. 30 to 60 breath per minute, C. 8 to 10 breath per minute, D. 12 to 20 breath per minute. The correct answer is D. 12 to 20 breath per minute. Question number 19. Dressing and bandage are used to dash. A. Reduce the victim pain, B. Reduce internal bleeding, C. Help control bleeding and prevent infection, D. Make it easier to take the victim to the hospital. C is the correct answer, help control bleeding and prevent infection. Then our last question is question number 20. Which of the following can cause a stroke? A. Blood clot in an artery in the brain, B. Blood clot in a artery in the heart, C. Blood clot in a artery in the leg, D. Blood clot in a artery in the lungs. The correct answer is A. Blood clot in a artery in the brain. So thank you for watching this video.